Hi, I'm Jordan with Kärcher. This video is for the operations and maintenance of a BRC 3015. When preparing for usage, we should first give a visual inspection to the electric cord to make sure that it is intact and no wires are exposed. We should also check the main brush to make sure that it is free from obstructions, hair, and carpet fiber. We can make sure that there is fresh water in the solution tank. We can then put the recovery tank on top of the unit and adhere the small, clear plastic top to the recovery dome. We can transport the unit to the area of cleaning. We can then use the yellow operator touch point to adjust the handle, plug the unit in, use the rocker switch to select the cleaning mode we wish. We can then engage the one single trigger to activate the brush and start solution flow. We can then pull the unit towards us and start cleaning the surface. When desired to use a hand tool, remove the small braided hose. You can use that male end to the female end of your hand tool. You will then take the large black vacuum recovery hose and place it inside the clear recovery dome on the right side. Well, thank you for watching our video on the operations and maintenance of a BRC 3015. And until next time, keep it clean.